Probably think it's outlandish, but my bitch too fancy. Ooh, sweet like candy. Yeah, jumping out bandages. Tech with the cooler can't handle me. Tech with the cooler can't.
We take bitches, we don't take no losses. Everybody in my clique straight bosses. Hey, we don't keep score, we keep scoring. Syrup in my cup got me snoring. Then wake up to a bad bitch in the morning. Just took a slow my dab, now a nigga.
Gonna give her a new wash real quick though. Yes sir. Hey look, this is one of the first few times you're gonna see me ever spraying the chain like this, cause I'm about to go get a new chain. I don't care about this chain no more. So I'm just gonna clean the mess up out the whole bike. Yeah boy, yeah. I do not show no license plate. Oh yeah boy, oh yeah. Yeah baby. Let's get it. Get that soap on there. Oh yeah. This is how you wash a bike, ladies and gentlemen. This is exactly how you wash a young bike. I will get my stand for my tires. That's what I need to do, but so I can rotate the rim and wash it. It's all good though. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna get it done. Oh. Oh, not the heater cord, not the young heater cord. Put that away. Let's get that spiffy gold. Okay. Ooh, icy, so icy. Hey. What y'all think, man? Ooh. What y'all think? Sexy? On me. What y'all think? 360, 360, 360, 360, 360. Okay? You already know I gotta do it like the movies do. Hold on. Like the movie, you feel me? It's slow-mo. Let's get that slow-mo. Slow-mo. Y'all can see I don't care about my chain, don't you? Last stage, drying her off real quick. Hey, what's the deal, everybody, man? I appreciate everybody that's been tuning in to all my videos. I know I say that a lot, but I do appreciate it. And I'm in the wrong lane. I think I did this last time in the wrong lane. That's funny. But yeah, anyways, I'm on my way to K&B right now. Hold on, can y'all hear me? Hold on. Hey, I got this this mouthpiece over my I got this head thing on, this balaclava, so I don't know if y'all can really hear me like that. But anyways, I'm on my way to get a new chain because my oh yeah, let me hear here. Oh, cause my chain is horrible. My chain is so bad, it's ridiculous. About to get a fresh little, about to get a fresh chain. Boy, get on your lane. Stupid. But I'm about to get a fresh new chain. I'm about to get a fresh new oil change. Well, the bike will be back. Hold on, I don't think y'all can hear me. I gotta take my mouth out this thing. Hold on, y'all. There we go. There we go. I'm about to go that way, so I'm not tripping. Dang, I haven't been here in a good minute. What's good? What's up, man? Wonderful. I know. I've been busy though, low key. Heck yeah. I need that oil change. Hey, cold? You cold?
It is.
I know.
It is kind of hot out there, but it's cold.
Yeah, it is. It is. I got all my gear on. How you doing?
You're good. Oh, yes.
Good.
How we doing?
Good. I wanted to get a chain and an oil change today.
Okay.
Tech with the cooler can't handle it. Young nigga trap dismantle. That's that secret sauce.